License optimization with CoreView. CoreView can assist with the optimization of licenses by way of several license reports and management actions. This report will focus on the license duplicated plan report. The purpose of the duplicated plan report is to quickly understand if users are receiving plans or services via more than one SKU. We won't go into the various ways in which a user can get double licensed, which is easier than you may think. Let's focus on the identification of said users and determine the best strategy to reclaim those licenses. From here, we will click on the Microsoft Teams service plan showing the 42 users that are receiving the Microsoft Teams service plan from more than one SKU. The report updates showing the SKUs containing the Microsoft Teams service plan. Selecting the Office 365 E3 E5 SKU further narrows the report to the 4 users receiving both licenses. Now that we have a report showing 4 users receiving Microsoft Teams from 2 different SKUs, CoreView supports the reclaiming of the licensing. First, we will take a look at it from the user card option. The user card shows a snapshot of the user's information, including user details, groups, and licenses. One of the options to remove the inactive E5 license is to click the Remove link. CoreView prompts to perform an immediate removal of the E5 license. An alternative method to removing the inactive license is to click the See All Actions link. This opens a dialog showing all of the management actions for the user object. Select Manage Licenses will now display the licensing currently associated with the user. We can scroll through the list, find the individual SKU that we want to remove, deselect, and now click the blue arrow to continue. CoreView states what we're about to perform. We just showcased how quickly CoreView could report on users with a duplicate license and how we can directly remove the license. Perhaps the direct route is not always applicable. Let's review a more automated method via workflow. Directly from the report, we can select one or more users and select Manage. The Manage window opens, showing many of the same management actions as we saw from the user card. Using the same report, instead of selecting Manage Licenses, select the Execute Workflow option. The purpose of a workflow is to perform a series of steps. From the Execute Workflow dialog, we will quickly search for the license removal workflow. This workflow is not only designed to remove the E5 license, but also designed to communicate with the manager to seek approval prior to the removal. This concludes duplicate plan license optimization with CoreView.